Ever been in a situation where you need to quickly send money to a friend, split a bill, or maybe even pay back that borrowed lunch? But you don't want to deal with the hassle of bank transfers or the fees of traditional money transfer services. Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into how to easily and conveniently pay anyone using GrabPay. GrabPay is more than just a ride-hailing payment option. It's a versatile e-wallet that lets you do so much more. From topping up your phone credit to paying bills, and of course, sending money to friends and family. But how exactly does it all work? Let's break it down. Step-by-step guide. Open your Grab app. First things first, open up your Grab app. You know, the one you use for rides, food deliveries, and all that good stuff. Tap on Pay, look for the Pay icon. It's usually prominently displayed on the main screen. Select Send Money. Within the Pay section, you'll find the option to send money. Tap on that. Choose your recipient. Now, you have a few ways to choose who you're sending money to. Search by phone number. Simply enter their phone number, and if they have a GrabPay account, they'll pop up. Select from your contacts. The app can access your phone contacts, making it easy to find the right person. Enter the amount. Type in the exact amount you want to send. Double-check those numbers. Add a note. Optional. Want to add a quick message? Like thanks for lunch, or don't forget to pay me back. You can do that here. Review and confirm. Before hitting send, review all the details, recipient, amount, and any notes. Make sure everything looks good. Enter your PIN. For security, you'll need to enter your GrabPay PIN to confirm the transaction. Hit send and you're done. That's it. The money will be instantly transferred to their GrabPay account, and they'll receive a notification. Tips and tricks. Check for any fees. While GrabPay usually offers competitive transfer fees, it's always a good idea to check if there are any fees associated with your specific transaction. Top up your GrabPay balance. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your GrabPay balance before sending money. You can easily top up your account using various methods like bank transfers or credit/debit cards. Security first. Remember to keep your Grab app and GrabPay PIN secure to protect your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy sending!